Hello and welcome to the Littlegasthaus, the German sausage maker. Today we make some vegan sausage. I found some ground meat in the local discount store and we're going to make some sausage out of that and see how that turns out. A few Bratwurst. Okay, stay with me. Okay, we got the spices. Here I got some leftover cellulose casing that will be enough for a couple of sausages. Okay, first we put in the meat. Sorry, but it smells like dog food. What I'm going to do is add some canola oil to make it a little smoother. So I will add 3 tablespoons of canola oil. To make it smooth. You won't taste it. This is quite a bit different from what I made so far, but it's still very tough to get through the stuffer. I'm not sure to add some water to it. Hope it doesn't fall apart after. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of water. Also 3 tablespoons. Yeah, that feels better. It's sticky, so. See what we can get out of it. You got a 20mm filler pipe. Here's the filler. Okay, put the meat in the filler. Okay, get the mixture to the front of the pipe so we don't have too much air in there. Okay, there we are. So this is caliber 28. Yeah, it's still pretty tough. Okay, guess that's about it. Okay, 2, 4, 6 vegan sausages. I guess you have to brew them so they'll stay in shape because we have to remove the casing after we're done. If we do that now, sausage would be falling apart. A little bit more. We got 68. We heat it up a little bit more. It's 154 Fahrenheit. Let me see. 30 minutes. Hot. Man, I bet that's too hot. Check the temperature. 82 degrees. Too high. This is stupid. Okay. They don't look too good. So, I don't think this will work. Cool this down. Okay, let's cut them open. You can see already there's a lot of liquid inside, so it's more sauce, I would say. It is a sausage, but let it dry a little bit. It's greasy. That's probably from the oil I put in there. See, the problem is the binding. Can't put any other stuff in there like an egg or something like that, so it will stay together. Well, now it's in the pan. It loses the smell. Maybe it's not too bad after all, okay? The color is not too bad. Nice color. Okay. A little piece to try. Okay, this was vegan sausage. The sausage without any meat or other animal products. I don't know about the taste. I'm going to try a little piece. Well, taste is not too bad, but it's still almost like the smell. Maybe a little bit less salt in there because the original was salt in the mixture. So I looked at the ingredients and there already was water in there and oil and salt and all this other stuff. It's not too bad. I wouldn't say I will never eat it, but it's not my taste. I stay with the old-fashioned sausage, the one with the meat. Okay, you have a nice day. Thanks for watching, and I hope I see you back in the Littlegasthaus at the German sausage maker. Bye bye.